Okay? First, we will going to Helicopter Island for activities for swimming, snorkeling, relaxing, boxing, wrestling.
Nice.
Then second is we will going to the Hidden Beach. Hidden Beach is the going the activity for Hidden Beach or the highlights of Torsi. For activity swimming and swimming, snorkeling, and just in case if you want to finding Nemo. Okay? It's the highlight of Torsi. Then third one, we're going to Talisay Beach. The Talisay Beach, the having lands, no? For the having lands for the Talisay Beach, the favorite island. Then fourth one is we're going to the Secret Beach. I think the Secret Beach, I don't know if it's allowed to go in there because sometimes the Secret Beach is not allowed to go because the big wave. So, but I try to go in there if I going to allowed to go inside. Okay? Then last but not the least, the Matinloc's Wine. Matinloc line is a private, right? So private Matinloc's line, they have an entrance fee. 200 pesos. Everybody know that? Everybody. So the Matinloc's line, got a private, got the entrance fee 200 pesos.
No, we
So
don't
I think
know.
you're gonna per tayo agency, no? 200 pesos each, okay? Okay, ma'am, sir, every Sunday about 30 to 45 minutes to consume to activity. Okay?
Bakit? Jacket mo yan, life jacket. Hello!
Hello! From Helicopter Island. Malalim dito. Malalim dito.
Nanginaw ng ng tubig.
Mama, this doesn't make sense. Why would I put water on land? It's innocent. And why would we put water here? It's not innocent.
Video! Punta kayo dito!
Come on, dito. Come on. Very nice. Very nice. Dito dali.
Fighting shades.
Mamaya na. Ay, bawal yan. Bawal kang kumuha ng mga shell dyan. Dito dali.
Or you'll be a person.
Hello. Hello. Hindi malakas ang alon kahit umuulan. Tap ng tubig. Hindi naman malamig eh. Malinaw ang tubig.
Video, dali. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ako bigat na Eman.
Yay!
Bigat na Eman.
Nauna si Mary!
Nahalo kami sa mga.
Bibidyohan ko yung paa mo. Si Emma nasa ilalim. Nabato siya.
Balman, Eman, sigaw ka ng sigaw.
No, may life jacket ka, hindi ka malulunod.
I hate water. Please, but it's salty.
Binibilang mo yung ilang araw tayo para kailan magsiswimming ngayon. Swimming na tayo. Ayaw mo na.
Let's go to the deep water. To the deep water.
Hello.
Hello, buddy. Ah!
Okay, ma'am, sir, before you go down, please wearing the aqua just because the front is very rocky. No? It's the entrance of Benedict's. No? So we have at 30 to 45 minutes after we'll go in the Palisay Beach for the heavy lunch. Okay? Enjoy your second destination, then bring your cell phone. I'm gonna take the photo inside. Okay?
Tapos si ate nakalutang.
O, ikaw na. Walang alon. Uy, may mga fish doon. Mary, ito yung mga fish, oh. Look, Mary. Ayun yung mga fish.
Sandball.
Mary, baka ano yan sa mata ko.
Carl, ayaw ka na. Hindi ka na tumayo, Eman.
Hello guys, today we're on the hidden beach.
With the rock formation.
It's fun.
With the rock formation.
That has no sand, no grass, no water, and that has no rocks,
Oops, huwag gagalawin
and
yung
no
video.
coconuts, no trees,
Eh, nag-e-echo yung
no
boses
people,
namin.
and has
Yeah!
no
Yeah! Nag-e-echo yung boses namin.
no
Tapos,
color pink,
walang waves.
no color orange,
Hindi umaalon.
color red, no color everything. And I'm gonna go on top of you. Mama has orange, Evan has or red, and then I have pink. No color. There's no color. Only gray, black. What? Only green. I mean no green. And no ganda. Sobrang mapangit. Sabi daw ni Ate Mia
Tapos may
mapangit.
mga fish akong nakita. Tapos ang puti ng sand
And no rainbow
ayun o,
color.
nakakasilaw yung sand. Sa sobrang puti.
Pumunta ako sa malalim
hanap ka
dyan ka lang. Gusto ko makita ng limo. Malalim. Sige, hawak ka lang ha.
Dito ka. I-stop ko lang yung video.
Hello.
Ipo.
Hello, welcome to the Hidden Beach with this beautiful rock formations.
Hidden Beach! Yay!
Let's walk.
Naglalakad kami ngayon. Ayan, ang linaw ng tubig. Mabato sa ilalim, sandy, tsaka
I
mabato.
cannot walk because it's too
Tour
big.
guide namin.
I cannot walk in the sun.
Ayan yung mga rock formation.
I got something that will show you.
We're surrounding by rock formations.
To the sand.
mabato na to sa part na to. Marami na siyang bato. Kailangan marami kang memory ng cellphone dito. Kasi gusto mong mag-video ng mag-video. You don't want to miss. Ay.
Ilang oras, sir?
Ha?
Sisira ko dahil ko.
Hihilahin na tayo.
Pero sabay-sabay para mas masaya.
Stop. Third stop.
The Talisay Beach. That's why they call it Talisay Beach because that's Talisay Way. That's why they call this a Talisay Beach, no? So for your heavy hands, no? So
Ayan. Si Mary may salbabida eh. So, dito kami kakain ng lunch sa Talisay Beach.
Mama, let's go here. Mama.
We're under a rock. Big rock.
Let's go here.
Ang ganda ng ano, ng pagkakagawa, pagkaka-formation.
Mama, Mama, water. Baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
pushing no fighting, no rescue, no practice.
Mads, dalawa kunin.
Teka lang, segundo.
Mosquitoes are...
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
They're above your head, like
Bakit ganun grabe daming lamok?
Nabubog ka.
Uy, look at my feet. Look at my foot.
Pwede, pero hindi kasing linis ito ng tubig. Ito, kanina to.
Saan pa? Babalik ko. Babalik na yung video.
Bye, Matinloc Shrine.
So, ko na pa.
Siguro yung mga yung pupunta ko ron.
That's
Bakit?
ice cream.
Ayun yung mga bagahe.
Ay, gano'n. Ito tayo.
Ice cream that.
Oh!